The mood among miners who previously worried about currency retention, over-regulation and energy shortages has changed since gold prices began climbing and local producers started increasing their output. According to the latest official statistics, gold deliveries for 2025 were up to 37 tons by October. That means they're just 3 tons shy of a 40-ton target set for the entire year. Artisanal miners have carried the bulk of the weight, contributing 27 tons. Cooperation between them and their large-scale counterparts is seen as a way to maximize the current prices.
There are some ore bodies which can be mined by artisanal miners, which are not suitable for bigger miners. So it is okay to have artisanal miners mine those. And you are really exploiting the resource, which is what you are meant to be doing.
The often informal operators have been called on to formalize if they are to benefit from global value chains.
Is to encourage them to formalize to the extent possible, to operate much more like corporates, even if it means cooperative. So they put themselves together, operate legally, have a proper structure as a cooperative. Then they can access capital.
But even with high production, experts warn that Zimbabwe may miss the price boom if it doesn't urgently invest in exploration.
Exploration is the first fundamental aspect that needs to be addressed. I think in this conference we have heard all the bankers talking about information. You don't have information, that's why you cannot have the money. That's why we're saying if the exploration is done, the bankers can then fund your projects.
Large-scale miners have also called for more stability and predictability.
The area which probably the government still needs to work on is really policy consistency. Because investors look at policy consistency. If you're investing in a mine, you're looking at the long term. So you can't have policies changing every year or so.
While the bill introduces sweeping changes across the industry, one of its most consequential proposals is the abolition of extralateral rights, compelling claim holders to work their claims instead of holding on to them for speculative reasons, a move that is set to increase revenue accruing to the state. CGTN, Harare, Zimbabwe.